I'm going to walk you through how to find influencers on YouTube with 5 simple steps. This can save you a lot of time and a lot of money paying for expensive lists and instead give you a reliable way of finding influencers so that way when you want to promote a product of yours, you can do so cheaply and cost effectively. First thing you want to do is use YouTube's search bar. Insert in brackets the type of industry you're targeting. For example, gut health, close the bracket or close the quote, and then put in influencer or YouTuber. You're going to notice that there's a bunch of influencers that pop up. In the filters, you can now filter out by channel, sort by upload date to prioritize the most active influencers. And now from here, you can copy paste all that into ChatGPT and figure out which influencers would be a good starting point to reach out to. Now, the second thing would be influencer database platforms. We built one out ourselves and we use it all the time. Now, it's actually fairly easy to build one out. You can use any scraper on Apify to go through the YouTube API and scrape channels. Now, these will allow you to a collection of videos and channels, and from here, you'll be able to actually rank each of these influencers using your own algorithm, figure out their engagement, their view counts, and then have this as a list that you come back to time and time again when you're trying to find an influencer for a specific product promotion. Now, if you do have access to YouTube's Brand Connect, you can actually use that to filter out a wide variety of different types of influencers to find the ones best suited for your needs. Some filters include geographic location, audience graphics, age, subscriber count, and more. Now, what's nice here is you can search profiles, find insights, and this will all allow you to search with keywords to identify which creators are most suitable for your influencer campaign. Another thing you can do is reverse engineer, find similar competitors who are already making sponsored posts on YouTube. You can then find the same influencers that they're targeting and find what are adjacent influencers, so adjacent niched influencers, because you don't want the same influencer to promote both your competitor's product and your product because you're going to be diluting yourself. So if you have a makeup product, don't find an influencer who does makeup reviews. Find an influencer who talks about looking better with better clothing or improving their hairstyle. And naturally, this will allow you to get a lot more views. And because the influencer is similar, you have proven concept, which makes the chance of your video getting traction much more likely. Next thing you can do is find SEO optimized top 10 YouTuber lists. There's lots of companies optimizing SEO and they make these lists and they include really good influencers. You can actually pick out some influencers from here, knowing that they've been trusted by other brands because they've done some research to find ones who not only do well in SEO, but actually perform well and give them better results. Because by finding influencers which get better results, the company is going to have more happy visitors on that blog, more shares, and they're going to grow their blog post, which is why it's a win-win situation and you can use it to accurately find good influencers.